Hi guys! Welcome in! Sawadee ka! Mabuhay! And you are back with me, Fierce Sai. So it's another exciting video in the balcony of the place that I rented here in Paris, France. And that's a view or the top of the Eiffel Tower. So this time I am going to do an unboxing of some Pandora Estore orders. And there is a Paris-related charm on this one. So it's perfect that I go ahead and unbox it here in Paris, France. For my new subscribers, hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I usually do some travel videos, jewelry videos, mostly Pandora, Red Valley Frog, Troll Beads, Swarovski, Tomasabo, and more. And this time is an unboxing of this Pandora Estore Estore orders for the month of August 2018, but I know that I'm gonna be uploading this in September. But anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see. Any shortcut? I ordered bazillions of this one, and I always forget how to open it. Okay, just lift it here. Okay. So as you see, I'm wearing my earphones to cancel the noise, since I'm at the balcony and there's like a lot of, what should I call it? A lot of cars that are going around at the bottom, so it could be very noisy. Okay, ooh, this is a little hard. I'll try scissors. So this is my last day here in Paris, France. The truth is, yesterday I unboxed or I unwrapped all the gifts that are given to me by Jandra of My Expressions from our jewelry swap. It's the first ever jewelry swap on YouTube. We are setting a trend. So me and Jandra, we met early part of this year. Oh, no, like late part of last year, I think, when I started with Pandora. Yeah, it was late part of last year. I mean, when I started doing Pandora videos, and yeah, and she's always been very helpful to me, and then she's my first ever Pandora addict, jewelry addict friend. Yeah, so thank you so much, Jandra, for all your amazing gifts. I really love them all, but this time I'm going to talk about this. So if you wanted to go ahead and watch the full video, I am really emotional on that one. Go ahead and check out the video that will be shown at the end of this one. You can click it right away, and it will be on the description bar as well. Alright, so here you go. I have 4 items on this one. So you see one big box and then 3 smaller Pandora boxes. Okay. They did not provide a, what should I call it? Bags. I don't know why. Sometimes they give bags and then sometimes they don't. So these are the items that I have in here. Okay. It's gonna cover the, so those are the 4 items. I'm so excited to go ahead and share them to you. Alright, so first one, let me go ahead and grab this. Okay, so this item is retiring, and it's best that I discontinue, rather, so it's best that I go ahead and grab one before it's totally gone. And you know that I really would love to collect bracelets too. Alright, so this one, yes, I told you already, it's a bracelet. And it is, ta-da! It's the turquoise one. It's the band. I don't know what this is called. Okay, there we go. Moments fabric cord in turquoise, and it's size 18. So I wear 17 and 18, and I like it 18 when I wanted to put a lot of charms on it. So it's this one. Ta-da! So nice. I love turquoise. I know that if I'm not mistaken, my YouTube sister, sis Nancy of Nancy Life TV, have one too. Okay, if you haven't bought one of these yet, I'm going to show you the hallmarks. So the Pandora logo is right here, and there's like a heart, and then the Pandora logo in the middle, and then the S925ALE is in this barrel part over here. Maybe I can do a close-ups of that and then be able to show you. And then how it works is that you remove it from this one. It's a little hard with its nails. Okay. Alright, so remove it like so. Ta-da! And you just put it like, of course, wrap it around and then just insert the hard part to this loop, and then that's it. This vibrant turquoise fabric cord bracelet with a beautiful sterling silver heart clasp is sure to brighten up any look. Wear it on its own or with up to 4 charms to bring a unique styling to any outfit. You know, loves, that I love all shades of blue, and turquoise is one of my favorite colors, and I know I gotta have it. So as you see right now, this is the Hallmark S925 ALE. At the bottom is the ALE part. So that one is silver, and then this cord is a textile or with synthetic fibers. So the next item that I have for this unboxing today will be, I don't know which one. Okay, this one. So this is an addition to my essence collection. You should watch out for the surprise essence that was given to me by Jandra of My Expressions. I died. I literally, like, it was breathtaking, and I'm just so thankful about it. So yes, this one is another essence item. So in total, I think I have 13 now. This is my 13th. So all right, and this is, ta-da! This is called the Pandora Essence Affection. Okay, in affection. I'm reading it from the receipt. Ta-da! Okay, so the affection charm goes like this. I don't know if I can show it to you, or I should like do a close-up video instead. So it looks like this. So it's an open work. It's very, very nice. I'm just gonna do close-ups. I really, oh my god, the details of this open work charm is really awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so vintage feel. It's like reminds me of France as well. So perfect. I really like that one. Delicately crafted from sterling silver, this Essence Affection Charm features a breathtaking focal point that represents affection you hold for a loved one in your heart. The decorative strand symbolizes the human connection of shared empathy and consideration. The word affection is engraved on one end. Express the essence of you. I fell in love at first sight with this particular charm, as it has a very beautiful open work design, as you see now. And here is the affection engraved on one side of this charm, like so. And on the other side, of course, we can see the markings. And that's Pandora S925 ALE. And then the next item that I am going to show you here would be, okay, I'm just gonna put this for last. All right, this one. So I wanted this charm for so long when I started Pandora, with collecting Pandora, and I'm just really happy that I finally get my hands on this one. I think it's already discontinued as well, and it's really difficult to find. It's becoming difficult to find on some countries, but without further ado, it's this charm. Ta-da! And this is the I love reading charm with eyeglasses, because you know that I wear eyeglasses right now. I'm wearing contact lenses, and it's like the style of it is, it's a pendant or a hanging charm, dangling charm, and then it opens like a book. So all right, so it's this charm now. Ta-da! And then, so you see that there's like a reading glass in the front. P2925ALE on the side. And then inside it, there's some scriptures. It says, ignore the things you have to do and just enjoy a book or two. That's so cool. That's so nice. It's written in there. I think it's hard to see right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you close-ups instead. So that's the third item that I have for this unboxing. And then I have another one. And here's a closer look of this I Love Reading hanging charm from Pandora. Any woman with a passion for reading will fall in love with this whimsical charm design. A fun gift option for bookworms and aspiring authors alike, just like me. I will never survive nursing without reading all those volumes of books and different branches of nursing. And yes, this represents me. And on this side, you can see the hallmark P2S925ALE. And then you can open it, and what's inside it is just so exciting. Up close, it says, ignore the things you have to do and just enjoy a book or two. And that is just so meaningful. I really love this charm, and I really like that eyeglasses dangling in there too. It's such an amazing charm that resembles a real book. So the last item that I am going to show to you would be this one. I know that you probably think that I grabbed the Eiffel Tower charm, right? I really would love to go ahead and grab that, but that's easy to get. Like, all of the shops around the world have the Eiffel Tower charm. However, this one is a little difficult to get now, so I gotta have it. Ta-da! And this is it's like a postcard charm, postcard hanging charm, and it says bourgeois. Ta-da! Okay, I have to use this one. So it says bourgeois. Okay, really hard to see. And then at the back it says, wish you were here XOXO. So I dedicate this one for my mom, because this time, and my second time here in Paris, I flew with my dad and my brother, and it's only my mom who's not here with us, and we should have been a complete family. So yes. And it has the Eiffel Tower in the middle of the postcard. So it's just like super perfect, and reminds me of this trip, my second trip to Paris, France. Yes. So those are all the items that I have for this unboxing, and that I am going to go ahead and show you close-ups. I hope that you enjoyed this short unboxing video, and please watch out for all my other videos. I have an entire playlist of my Pandora videos. I have Red Belly Frog. I have a lot of new Red Belly Frog items to review very soon, so watch out for that. And then I also have I also do Swarovski videos, troll beads, and more. So watch out for that, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. And thank you so much for all your love and support. And see you on my next video. Remember to always stay fierce and fly high. See ya! The perfect charm to remind me of my Paris trip will be this one, evoking the feel of a traditional postcard. This cute dangle charm in sterling silver with colorful enamel represents the famous Eiffel Tower, along with a heartfelt message. Let someone know that even when you are far apart, he or she are still represented in your thoughts. And this represents my mom. I wish she was here with me in Paris, France on this trip, August 2018. And yeah, this message, wish you were here XOXO, is for her. I love you, Mom.